Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a frozen freeze and squeeze drink. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Now I did take the cup out and already put it in the freezer. It's been there actually overnight so that I could use it during this review. It has a little user manual that tells you how to use it. It comes with a straw with a spoon attachment like that. I think that's pretty cool. And it comes with a little brush to clean it out and then a brush to clean out the straw. So let me go ahead and go get the product and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so this is frozen. It does have this lid. And now I'm going to get my chilled drink, which is a Coke. Put it on the lid. Put on the lid. Okay, so I'm going to pour it in here. So I don't think it's going to fit the whole thing. And then after this, we're going to put on the lid, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. In just minutes, you'll have a delicious frozen treat. Okay, so that's all I can do for now. And now I'm going to start squeezing. So it's like super fizzy. And you can see it's starting to turn into slush. I'm going to take off the lid so that you guys can see. Now there is still some soda. Now I have a frozen drink. And you can also drink out of this with it on. So very cool. This would be really good with like a juice or something. That would make a really good, like maybe like a mango juice or something. So as you can see, it works. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.